Hey Giggle Makers! Welcome to the Giggle Box DIY. 1. Gather 4 popsicle sticks and arrange them into a square on your table. Place the sticks carefully and prepare to glue the corners together for a sturdy frame. 2. Glue the corners of the sticks together and hold for a few seconds until stuck tight. Make sure the frame is secure before letting it dry completely. Close-up of glue being applied to the corners to secure the popsicle stick frame. 3. Decorate your frame by coloring sticks with paints or markers any way you like. Add glitter, stickers, or buttons for extra sparkle and personal touch. Post paints each stick a different bright color to make the frame vibrant and fun. Add glitter, stickers, or buttons to your frame for a sparkling finish. Glitter and stickers add fun and shine to personalize your popsicle stick picture frame. 4. After drying, tape your favorite photo or drawing to the back of your frame. This completes your colorful popsicle stick picture frame craft. Post places a drawing of a smiling sun behind the frame to personalize it. And just like that, you have made your very own colorful popsicle stick picture frame. Wow, look how cute this turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your craft in the comments. See you next time on the Giggle Box. Bye. Share your craft.